adds another exchange. This definitely has more implications for Swift, just more ways for money to move, right? Also, Draper connection to a very popular blockchain. And yeah, as always, before we get into it, let's cue my guy, Indigo Saint. And shout out to Indigo Saint. Definitely check out his show, Third Eye. Boom, let's get it. Let's get it. Indigo Saint in the build.
Who's this producer?
Best believe I was back to investing. With your money, you ain't gotta be guessing. Profits is what we manifesting. So we binge on our blacker investing. Best believe I was blacker investing. Got course in this race, we ain't resting. We got stocks, we got crypto with a blessing. So thank God for that blacker investing. Best believe I was blacker investing.
What's going on? What's up, guys? What's up, crypto warriors? What is up, Black Roo Crew? We're back. What's up, E? Shout out to the Telegram there. E, our moderator in our Telegrams there. If you guys are looking for some nice crypto communication, some other crypto bros, a place where you can go and share in crypto content, come on over to our Telegram, which I'm going to show you right here. We got crypto general news, meme coins, artificial intelligence stuff. We talk about a whole bunch of different stuff in here. We also talk about positive man channels, positive things, right? So definitely come on over to Telegram. It's completely free. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. What's up, Kid Grabo? What is up, Lace Square? Let's get into the news here. So some slept on news that happened was Robinhood and their acquisition of Bitstamp. Okay. Now, where did we hear Robinhood at before, right? Draper is an initial investor in Robinhood. If we look at Draper Associates and we mosey on down to the R's, we'll see Robinhood. Okay. So just another exchange, okay, going on to his lists of exchanges and ways that he can move money around, right? Which we all think that Swift is going to be a part of. I mean, Swift in itself is a wallet, is a payment solution, right? But now, you can throw and add Robinhood onto this pile, and Robinhood now has Bitstamp, which means Draper now has Bitstamp. Okay, so let's check into this. We got some pretty big news here with this, right? And this happened on June 12th, so not too long ago, like 3 days ago. Now, what this does is right away it offers Robinhood traders is going to, when it's finalized in the first half of 2025, it's going to offer Robinhood investors more crypto opportunities. So here it is. Robinhood agreed to acquire Luxembourg-based cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp in a $2 million deal that is set to close in the first half of 2025. Let's see. What is Luxembourg? Is this Germany? Let me just check it right quick. France. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's a French company. Okay, small European country surrounded by Belgium, France, and Germany. Okay, I was almost getting it confused with Liechtenstein, right? That's where LCX is located. Let's try to get a map version to kind of actually see what's going on here, right? Okay. Okay, so this is where it is. Okay, gotcha. Okay, that's where Luxembourg is. Okay. All right, cool. So let's go back to our article here. They say everything we've been doing in the past few years has been because of our engagement for our customers has been they want more crypto products, says General Manager Robinhood. Now, again, this should really tell you guys how we're moving to crypto, like cryptocurrency globally, right? Robinhood, a big stock, a great stock exchange in America, has now moved to purchase a cryptocurrency company. So now, like it's very clear that the future is cryptocurrency. Okay. Um, and again, we already know that, Draper has a whole bunch of lists of exchanges that he controls, right? Um, but this should just really impact and really uh, drive home the point that cryptocurrency is where fiat currency is going. There's like a conversion over to crypto assets, and it's happening before our eyes, right? Let's see here. So another thing to note kind of here is that Robinhood's been doing some growing. They recently made it so that also you can trade in the UK too. So it's really interesting. Where is it? I keep missing it here. Okay. Robinhood has also taken pains to avoid offering such services as staking and lending. That will spark SEC action against other firms. Buying Bitstamp would give Robinhood access to the lending and staking products that the exchange already offers outside the US. So they're going to have lending and staking and DeFi outside the US with this purchase here. It's also going to allow them to offer more cryptos than they had been offering, which they say here somewhere. Okay, here we are. Robinhood offers 15 crypto tokens to U.S. retail investors and more than 30 to European users. So they already have, a European version of Robinhood as well. Bitstamp, by contrast, lists up to 85. Okay. So it's going to be like very, very impactful for Robinhood. It might also make you guys want to look at Robinhood as a stock that you might want to purchase. One other article we're going to read here says why this will be a great idea purchase for Robinhood. If we go look at Robinhood over in our trusty Benzinga Pro, shout out to those guys at Benzinga. We can see here over the last 5 years, Robinhood's up from the low of a little bit under $9 that it was at to be here at $22. And I think when it first IPO'd, it was at $43. So it's still kind of half off the IPO price. Definitely not at the $9 price you could have had it at its low. But yeah, doing nice. But let's get back over here to this one. Let me make sure I'm still sharing and everybody can see. Awesome. Okay. Robinhood got far more than crypto investors in its $200 million acquisition of Bitstamp. So Robinhood's $200 million acquisition of Bitstamp last week won't only deliver the U.S. online brokerage crypto investors around the world. It also comes with a particular potential bonus prize, a MiCA license. Okay, so why is this important? They get a MiCA license that'll basically say that they can they're passported into dealing with anybody that has a MiCA license in the European Union, right? And the MiCA license, this is important when it comes to an exchange like LCX, right? So this almost basically puts Robinhood on par with an LCX, but they have the the stocks to back them up as well. So I mean, this makes me actually kind of bananas and gaga about LCX as well, right? Knowing where LCX is going, right? But this is huge. This is huge for Robinhood in that they will have that MiCA license, right? Okay, the European Union is in the process of implementing a block-wide crypto regulatory regime called the Markets and Crypto Assets Regulation, or MiCA. Or some say MiCA, but I've heard like Monty Metzger, who's LCX's CEO, he says MiCA, so I'm gonna say MiCA. I'm gonna call him Clay. I'm gonna call him Clay. While numerous ventures are undertaking painstaking effort to comply with the landmark law, Robinhood may have leapfrogged them all by simply buying a company that is already qualified. Very, very cool there. Okay. What is up, Maximus Crypto? Thanks for coming through, brother. Appreciate it. What's up, Shook Focus Digital? My guy Shook in the house. Gotta love that. Let's go, fam. Oh, thank you for sharing all those links, Shook Focus. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna get to all of those comments, and thank you for the new subscriber, Akibulan. Appreciate you for subscribing either here or the Gentleman of Crypto. Appreciate you. Now let's go dig into something else that I found here, which was a direct connection to Draper and Kaspa. Okay. So I just want to remind you of Adam Draper's firm, Boost VC. We know this is him, that he runs Boost VC. If we go to the About Us, which is loading, you'll see Adam Draper, a fourth generation venture capitalist. So the money runs long and strong in the Draper family, literal fourth generation venture capitalist. So let's go ahead then and go back to their portfolio. And we'll scroll all the way. We'll mosey on down here. Crypto investments. And we'll see Polychain Capital, the largest cryptocurrency investment firm. Okay. So they're saying this is part of their portfolio. So they own a part of Polychain Capital. Okay. Now coming back over here, this is from like the Kaspa Medium site. It says the journey of Kaspa has been shaped by the collective efforts of its founding contributors, DAG Labs, a research company co-founded by Jonathan Sompolinsky, laid the groundwork for Kaspa's emergence as a decentralized and open initiative with a focus on scalable DAG-based protocols. DAG Labs paved the way for Kaspa's vision of transparency, openness, and decentralization. Despite the eventual dissolution of DAG Labs, the project preserved thanks to the continued dedication and contribution of ex-DAG Labs developers. And here we're coming up on it here, and researchers. Okay, we're just going to skip this one and move into the third paragraph. The initial funding from Polychain Capital, so here we are, provided crucial support for Kaspa's launch, and the decision to forego allocations or pre-mine underscored the project's commitment to transparency and fairness. While DAG Labs may have dissolved, its legacy of its ex-developers and researchers continued to propel Kaspa forward, assuring its growth and maintenance in the pursuit of decentralized vision. Now, shout out to Beebs from the Maximus Crypto community. He is the first person to point out to me, hey, I think Polychain Capital is connected to Kaspa some way, right? And here it is, at least from this medium, we have some proof of that, right? We could go find some other sources, but at least we got this proof, we got this source right here, right? So can't be denied, Polychain Capital, there is some connection to Draper, to Kaspa Labs. So not only is he related to, not only is he related to Kaspa Labs, he's also related to Kaspa via Polychain Capital, okay? And Polychain Capital's funding of DAG Labs that built Kaspa, okay? So follow all of that. So huge connections here. And let me go ahead and look at some of the comments here, starting up from the top. Should Focus Digital said you can also catch the show here on X. And you can also catch it. Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Hey, and Maximus Crypto, like I said, in the house. Rui, Kid Gabo Shook, and everyone else here. I mind Cass, so I'm here to listen. Smash the like. So yeah, Cass, who knew? Cass, a Draper asset as well, right? Shook paying respects to Max. What is up, Prospector? Good morning, Detective. I appreciate that. What's up, Ty Madden? And can we look at Gary once from Disclosure Crypto? What's up, John and Hayes? Appreciate you. So yeah, we can go take a look at Gary again. Let's see if we can bring up a. Okay, so let's go to coin. Let's go here. Let's go to coin. CryptoRank.io. And then let's look at the price action from Gary. So Gary, we know, is funded by Shima Capital. Shout out to my guy, Underdog Research Channel. Underdog Research Channel has a video coming out tomorrow about Metapath, okay? And Shima Capital, they are the guys who are like the, if you would, like founders or funders, if you will, of Metapath. And Underdog Research Channel, he definitely lets you know all the research there. Definitely go check out his Billionaire Blueprint. And he also has some short form video where he's breaking down the Billionaire Blueprint, okay? And he let us know about Shima Capital. Let's see if we can bring up Shima Capital here so you guys can see. So they're one of the funders of Gary Network. They also funded Metapath, okay? And Metapath and Swift work hand in hand, okay? So let's go back to Gary here. So sit at 0.020, which is quite the low for Gary. If we look, oh, it went to 4 hour. I didn't want a 4 hour. I want a week. Okay, there we go. So high was this thing? Wow. So February, it was high as February of 2022, that looks like. it was as high as $1. Let's just say $1.50, and it drained since then. So possible ROI. Let's just say that it got back here, got back to the 82 cent mark. At 2 cents, that's like a 2000x, or I'm sorry, not 2000x, 2000% gain, over a 2000% gain. But specifically, it's like a 40x, right? So very, very cool there. And if we go into the website here, first of all, built on Solana. Where was it? I was clicking on something. Oh, there we are. So a ton of downloads there. Maybe I should move all my content over to Gary, y'all. World's largest Web3 audio and video live streaming platform. WF Capital, not sure if it's me, but I can't see anything. Never mind. It's all good. I had to reset. Okay. What is up, WF Capital? Max paying his respects. Living in Central Florida, Swift Sea now with Kaspa 2. Yep. So another thing that would be pretty interesting if we could find Kaspa on here. I doubt that they're going to list it, because I think this is one of the ones they would cover up. But if we go to their X, I bet they're following Swift, or Swift's following them, I should say. So Kaspa, there we go. Swift is following Kaspa. So there seems to be definitely a link there. Nice stuff. Shout out to Beebs from the Maximus Crypto community. We got some connection there, guys. For sure. So Gary, do content creators get paid for in the cryptocurrency for Gary? Theater of the absurd. I don't know. It seems like that's probably how it will work, I would guess. I haven't gotten on there myself. Maybe we make a little deeper dive there. Joey, what is up? Well, all day, the one and only Black Prince of Crypto. I will take that every day of the week, bro. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to hit you guys with that quick information. And maybe I do some even shorter form content later, like just to have it like, okay, Robinhood did this. It's great news for Swift, and just boom. But that's really all I wanted to hit you guys with today. Just one other thing before we go to very much a great idea and time to reorg. Like you see here, Swift kind of had a little bit of pullback, but you can see here on the RSI for the weekly charts, it seems like the market is ready to do something for the weekly charts. There's Swift. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is curving back, but again, very much in the oversold mark. Perhaps at some point here we do actually see a liftoff. But now, while things are low, and some think that Bitcoin's going to 62, now while things are low, it might be a great idea to come out and grab some of the best coins that you have a feeling about, like a Swift, right? Um, like an SHX, like that one. This is the perfect time to reorg your portfolio to get ready for like the second part of the bull run. So definitely keep that in mind. This is okay. Yeah, this is SHH. They took all the chart data off by like moving all of this stuff around. So nothing has really like a correct chart data for SHX. No, nope, that's not right. So closest thing we have is what I had showed you before, but this was definitely stronger than that. But yeah, guys, have a good day, guys. Really appreciate you guys coming through. This is a quick hitter today. Definitely be with you guys back on Wednesday. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what you think about this really short content. Most days we probably won't have short content like this, but thank you guys so much for coming. I'm out, guys.